My name is Philipp Otter. I work for the German company Autocon, which is producing drinking water systems for remote areas. We are here in the village of Julu, which is about 30 kilometers uphill of the city of Dehradun, being in the state Uttarakhand of India. We have chosen this place because, especially in those rural areas, it's especially challenging to have a constant water supply. Mainly not because of the quantity, rather of the quality, that the water is safe to be drunken. So we have chosen this place within the Aquanest project to propagate sustainable technology that combines natural filtration by means of riverbank filtration and a solar-driven disinfection system which is produced by the company of Autocon. In order to operate such a system, of course, electrical connections are required, and in order to make very safe, very good connections, we are using WAGO connectors. Those make it very easy and reliable to connect wires, open them again, reconnecting them, and having a very good result concerning the stability of the connection. For making those connections, the WAGO connectors were the only choice. We are using them since many years in many countries of this world, and they have until now reliably assured the connection of the cables. Through the Aquanest project, the village has gained access to microbial safe water. The system now nearly for 2 years is treating the water in a constant way, supplying it to the village, and since ever it has not had any pathogenic contamination, also improving the state of health in the village.
A token of thanks to you. I just want to present this to you as a token of appreciation. All right, we have brought some refreshments for you from WAGO to you.
Thank you very much. Doing those projects, it's always a good experience to see those people receiving safe drinking water, just being happy, having an improved status of health. It's always a pleasure to see the smile of the kid's face.